creating a MOOC was fascinating because I was involved from the very beginning and I wanted to do something completely different. So that is actually different to my teaching and my research. What we created is a mini-series of videos with actors where we try to really transport our ideas of biofabrication to a broader audience. I really enjoyed this process quite much and I learned a lot about filming and about, transporting ideas to a broader audience. My experience with the MOOC team, well, this team is really great and big fun to work with. So we had a lot of crazy ideas and we actually accomplished most of them. It was creative, interdisciplinary working, and I think we have a very nice final product. MOOCs are an excellent possibility to broadcast our topic biofabrication to a broader audience. We would like to use our MOOC to actually show what we do in Bayreuth worldwide to students and researchers.